G'day guys, welcome back to AllBrand Caravans. This is Carl speaking here. What we're going to talk today about is basically some lights. So what this customer did is he brought his caravan in and he was complaining about moisture within his lights. So what we've done is we've investigated it and found that the seal within the light was broken. So what we've done is we've replaced all these clearance lights which had moisture in them. Now on that note, we don't just do replace clearance lights, we can also replace any other kind of light as well. So that's all your external lights, your accessories, your NX lights, and also all your internal lights as well. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comments below or just give us a call. Thanks.